Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to identify where a particular sales is coming from. Is it coming from a promoted listing or an ad that you're running on Etsy? Or is the actual listing coming from maybe somebody typed in the keyword and they found you organically and then purchased? So this is something really important to start figuring out because it's going to give you more glimpse on what listings are ranking higher in the search results and what listings might be buried in the search results. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful Etsy business. And don't forget to like this video. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video is because this is a new feature that Etsy is promoting, basically, or not promoting, but is giving us access to as Etsy sellers. Before, in order to check what listings you got from sales, you will have to go to the marketing section and you can see your listings there. And then from there, you'll be able to see, okay, this particular listing I got X amount of clicks and then I got X amount of sales. But now you're able to see it on every individual order that comes in. And I kind of like it that way a little bit more because I could see it right there and then versus if I'm promoting the same product month after month after month, I might get the data confused. However, if I see it individually for every single day, it's just easier to kind of take notice right away what's working and what's not working. And you're able to see, okay, this particular listing I'm getting found with Etsy ads and I'm also getting found organically. So do I necessarily need to run an ad on this particular listing? What I always tell people, if you rank already for a particular keyword or a listing is ranking for numerous keywords on the first page of Etsy, I don't recommend running a promoted listing. Do that for the ones that you have more competition or for the listings that you're not necessarily ranking for. Because then that's going to help you get in front of more people. However, the listings that are doing particularly well, you might want to go ahead and turn off promoted listings and just use the Etsy ads on the ones that are not getting any views. And with this new feature, it's going to help you do that. It's going to help you determine somewhat of a Etsy ad marketing strategy. That way you spend less money and focus on the listings that are getting less views. And this is why it's a cool tool to kind of pay attention to. All you have to do is if you want to find this tool, you go to your sold orders. These are all the sold orders right here. You're going to see this little icon next to it. And if you hover on top of it, it says orders from ads. So it's basically telling you this is an order from an ad that you ran. If you look at this one here, which is the same item, it doesn't have the little icon. That means that somebody typed in maybe the keyword expense tracker, my listing showed up and they bought from me. That means that I'm probably ranking on the first page of Etsy, maybe the second page for this particular listing. So that tells me by the end of the month, I'm going to do an analysis and see how many orders I got organically and how many orders I got with the ad. And then I'm going to compare. And if I have the same amount or even more organically, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the promoted ad for this particular listing because I'm paying money when I'm already appearing to a lot of people. So there's no point of spending more money on this listing. I should use that budget for the actual listings that maybe I'm selling something in a saturated market. Maybe I'm using a keyword that's very competitive. So therefore, I might want to spend the money there. But this is a really great tool, guys. If you start using it every day, what I would recommend is at the end of the month, analyzing what are your top listings? What are your bottom listings? Are your top listings getting found organically and also with Etsy ads? If so, can you just turn off the ads for those listings and use that money for your bottom listings, the ones that are not getting any traction, so you could get more people in front of it? And that's how you come up with like I said, with a strategy to use your money wisely versus just spending it on every single listing without getting some return back, in other words. So you want to make sure that you use your money wisely and you promote the listings that you have a little bit more difficult with, but the ones that are already driving you organic traffic, you could, you could keep promoting it. But in my opinion, I think that those particular listings you shouldn't focus so much on, especially if you're ranking for them, because you're already in front of a lot of people. So therefore, you should focus on the ones that you're not. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. It's a short tutorial just to give you an idea of this tool if you have not seen it yet. Maybe you saw it, but you wasn't sure what it was. At least now you know how to use it the correct way to come up with some type of marketing strategy for your ads. If you enjoyed this video or you have questions about ads, make sure you leave them below in the comment section. I will do my best to answer every single person. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys for watching.